Hello friends, today we are going to learn about global learning communities. Global learning communities play a significant role in the field of education technology by fostering collaboration, sharing knowledge, and enhancing the learning experience for students and educators worldwide. These communities connect individuals and institutions from different parts of the world to leverage technology for educational purposes. Here's an explanation of the use of global learning communities in educational technology. Cross cultural collaboration. It brings together educators, students, and experts from diverse cultural backgrounds. This diversity promotes cross cultural understanding and collaboration, which is essential in a globalized world. Students can engage in projects and discussions with peers from other countries, gaining valuable perspectives and experiences. Knowledge sharing. It provides a platform for the sharing of knowledge, resources, and best practices in education technology. Educators can exchange ideas about effective teaching methods, innovative technologies, and strategies for integrating technology into the curriculum. This helps educators stay updated and continuously improve their teaching practices. Professional development. It offers opportunities for educators to engage in professional development activities. They can attend webinars, conferences, and workshops organized by these communities, where they can learn from experts in the field and gain new skills related to educational technology. Access to global resources. Through GLCs, educators and students can access a wide range of global educational resources, including digital content, online courses, and research materials. This access expands the educational opportunities available to them and ensure that they have access to the latest educational technologies and resources. Innovation and research. It fosters innovation in education technology by providing a platform for researchers and EdTech developers to collaborate. This collaboration can lead to the development of new technologies, tools, and educational approaches that can benefit students and educators worldwide. Problem solving. It can serve as problem solving hubs where educators and experts from different parts of the world come together to address common challenges in education. Whether it's addressing digital divides, improving online learning experiences, or finding solutions to specific educational issues, it can facilitate collective problem solving. Global perspective. Participating in GLC can give educators and students a global perspective on education. They can learn about different education systems, teaching methods, and cultural contexts, which can enrich their understanding and make them more adaptable in a globalized world. Student engagement. It can enhance student engagement by providing opportunities for collaborative projects with peers from other countries. Students can work on joint assignments, share their ideas and experiences, and develop a global mindset. Networking and partnerships. It facilitates networking among educational institutions, which can lead to partnerships and collaborations. Schools and universities can explore joint research projects, student exchange programs, and other initiatives that benefit both educators and students. Teacher learning. It can provide training and support for educators in using educational technology effectively. This is especially important as technology continues to evolve and educators need to stay updated on the latest tools and trends. Student empowerment. It empowers students to take ownership of their learning, they can explore their interests and passions in a global context, often leading to more self directed and personalized learning experiences. Cultural sensitivity. Interacting with peers from diverse backgrounds through GLCs helps foster cultural sensitivity and global citizenship. Students learn to appreciate and respect different cultures, perspectives, and traditions, contributing to a more inclusive and harmonious society. Language learning. GLCs can be an effective tool for language learning. Students can participate and improve their language skills by communicating with peers who speak different languages, making learning a new language and more practical and engaging. Global challenges. GLCs can address global challenges such as climate change, poverty, and healthcare by connecting students and educators who are passionate about making a positive impact on the world. These communities can facilitate collaborative projects aimed at finding innovative solutions to these challenges. Career opportunities. Participation in GLCs can open up new career opportunities for both educators and students. They can build a global network of contacts, gain international experience, and demonstrate their commitment to global education, which can be valuable on resumes and job applications. Accessibility and inclusivity. GLCs can help bridge the digital divide by providing access to educational resources and opportunities to underserved communities. Through partnerships and initiatives, GLCs can work toward making technology enabled education more accessible and inclusive. Continuous learning. GLCs promote a culture of continuous learning among educators. They encourage teachers to experiment with new technologies, teaching methods, and pedagogical approaches and share their experiences with the community. Data and research. GLCs can facilitate data sharing and collaborative research efforts in the field of education technology. This can lead to data driven insights and evidence based practices that improve learning outcomes. Parent and community engagement. GLCs can involve parents and the broader community in the education process. Parents can gain insights into their children's learning experiences and contribute to discussions about educational technology's role in their children's education. Advocacy and policy influence. GLCs can play a role in advocating their policies that support the effective use of technology in education. They can influence decision makers and contribute to the development of policies that promote equitable access to education technology. Global learning communities are instrumental in leveraging the power of education technology to connect individuals and institutions globally. They promote collaboration, cross cultural understanding, innovation, and the sharing of resources and knowledge. By fostering a sense of global citizenship and preparing individuals for an interconnected world, GLCs contribute to the advancement of education and society as a whole. Test yourself. How can global learning communities contribute to addressing the digital divide in education, and what strategies can they employ to ensure equitable access to technology enabled learning experiences? Discuss the role of global learning communities in fostering cross cultural collaboration and global citizenship among students. Provide specific examples of how these communities can facilitate such experiences. In what ways do global learning communities influence education policy and advocacy efforts related to technology in education? Provide examples of how these communities can impact policy decisions and promote equitable access to education technology. Thank you.